Hello, it's Mr. Rollins. Just wanted to talk to you guys about genetics, some of the struggles we've seen so far working on this, just the genophenotypes, heterozygous, homozygous, and also just a Punnett square. Always got to remember, so if we're working with the traits tall, say the trait is T equals tall. That's the dominant trait, okay? Let me try to scoop it over so you can see it. First time trying this out. So, let's go at this again. So T, uppercase T, equals tall. This is the dominant trait. I'll abbreviate here dominant. This is the dominant trait. Then below that, we're going to have the recessive trait, which I'll put in pink, lowercase t. This will equal short. Hold on, please. iTunes store. All right, and we're back. So this is the recessive trait. So I'll put recessive on here. I'll abbreviate there as well. Now remember the rules of genetics. If the tall trait is present, that's the one that shows up. So if we took, let's just say, we'll do, so this would be what we would call homozygous dominant. Why? We have two capital T's. We're going to crossbreed that. We'll put an X here. Simulate the cross. We'll cross that with, let's do, what do you think, homozygous recessive. So this will be two lowercase t's. Then you'll place them in the Punnett square. You sketch it out. These are typically done already. You will need to do this for your superhero project as well. You will take parent 1, capital T, across the top. I will take the two lowercase t's, here and here. Then I will cross them. The capital T, I always try to keep it going first, so you'll put them together. You'll have your capital T will go here. Your lowercase t will go here. Then the same thing moving across. We're going to move these two together. Capital T, lowercase t. Going down here, now meeting again, capital T, lowercase t, and same thing here, capital T, lowercase t. So, what you have to ask yourself is, what trait is showing up? Well, if the dominant trait is present, then that's the one that shows up. So all of these would be 100% tall. That is a phenotype. That is what we can see. Genetically, they're 100% capital T, lowercase t, heterozygous. Now, if we built this out further and say, I said, okay, I want to crossbreed these, and what Gregor Mendel did, is I take, all right, let's take these now and crossbreed these pea plants, just for an example. So I'm going to crossbreed capital T heterozygous with capital T lowercase heterozygous. I design my Punnett square, capital T here, lowercase t here, capital T here, lowercase t here, and I combine them. So capital T, lowercase t, capital T, lowercase t. If we have a capital T, I know it's got a little tight for space here. Capital T, lowercase t, and oh my goodness, what happened here? The recessive trait shows up. So in this case, you would have 75% tall, and 25% short, because in this case, the dominant trait is not present. Also keep in mind, how many boxes are we working with? So this is 3 out of 4, and this is 1 out of 4. So I hope this helps you understand genetics. I had fun setting this up. If you have any questions, just always feel free to ask me. Thank you.